Raken is built around daily reporting, while Fieldwire treats daily reports as one part of a broader construction project management system. That single difference explains why many construction teams have very different experiences with these two platforms. By the end of this video, you'll know which software makes daily reporting easier, how each platform approaches job site documentation, and which one is the better fit for your team in 2026. Here's the direct answer. If your primary goal is creating daily construction reports quickly, Raken is generally the simpler option because daily reporting is one of its core functions. If you also need task management, plan viewing, punch lists, inspections, and field coordination, Fieldwire may be the better choice even though its reporting workflow can involve more steps. Let's start with Raken. The platform is designed to help field crews document what happened on a job site each day. Supervisors can record work completed, labor, equipment, materials, weather conditions, photos, safety observations, and other project details from a mobile device. Because reporting is the main focus, the process is organized around completing that report efficiently before the workday ends. Fieldwire takes a broader approach. It's designed to help construction teams coordinate projects from start to finish. In addition to documenting daily activity, teams can assign tasks, track progress, review drawings, manage inspections, and communicate across the project. Daily reports are part of that larger workflow rather than the center of it. The biggest mistake contractors make is choosing software based on the number of features instead of the work their crews actually perform every day. A superintendent who mainly needs to submit accurate daily reports may not benefit from a platform built around complete project coordination. On the other hand, a large commercial project with multiple subcontractors may need those additional management tools. Take Alex as an example. He supervises several residential construction crews and spends the last part of every workday documenting labor, equipment, weather, and completed work. A reporting-focused platform like Raken fits naturally into that routine because it reduces the time spent preparing daily documentation. Now consider John, who manages a commercial construction project involving architects, subcontractors, and multiple field teams. He needs to assign tasks, review plans, track issues, and monitor progress throughout the day. For him, Fieldwire provides a broader set of tools that extend well beyond daily reporting. The practical takeaway is simple. Choose software that matches your team's primary workflow instead of paying for capabilities you'll rarely use. If creating daily reports is your biggest priority, test how quickly your supervisors can complete one in Raken. If coordinating an entire project matters more, compare how Fieldwire handles your daily operations from start to finish. The bottom line is clear. Raken is generally the simpler choice for daily construction reports. Fieldwire is often the stronger choice for teams that want reporting alongside comprehensive project management. Try both using a real project before making your decision. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other construction software guides.